From rising skylines in Dubai to endless construction deadlines. From missed deals to mountains of paperwork. Property development feels like chaos. But what if you could turn the chaos of property development into a streamlined masterpiece? No more chasing scattered spreadsheets, no more stacks of paper contracts, no more missed calls or double-booked units. End the juggling act. Welcome to RealSoft ERP, your ultimate command center for the modern property developer. List with impact. Showcase stunning units with immersive 3D tours and interactive floor plans. Sell with confidence. Our live inventory system locks units instantly, eliminating double booking and missed opportunities forever. Create tailored payment plans that fit any buyer. Then, watch your back-end automate it all, from generating pixel-perfect invoices to syncing with your accounting. Finally, financial clarity you can bank on. From handshake to handover. Guide every deal to a seamless close. Manage all documents, checklists, and compliance tasks in one place. Ensure every ownership transfer is not just smooth, but flawless. Build lasting relationships with a built-in CRM that remembers every client detail. And unlock powerful intelligence with real-time dashboards that show you exactly where your next deal is coming from. Stop managing problems. Start driving growth. RealSoft ERP. Simplifying ERP, delivering success.